In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Google Drive data. We're going to walk through the three most common situations you'll run into: when a file was deleted and is in the trash, when it was permanently deleted but still within a short recovery window, and when the file wasn't deleted at all but its contents were changed and you need an older version back. If you accidentally deleted a file, start by opening Google Drive in your browser. On the left sidebar, click Trash. In some regions, this may appear as bin. Browse or use the search bar to locate the file you want. When you find it, right-click and choose Restore. The file will jump back to its original folder, so if you don't see it immediately in My Drive, check the folder it originally lived in. Sorting the trash by last modified or using specific keywords can make finding it faster. Keep in mind, there's a deadline here. Items sit in trash for only 30 days. After that, Drive automatically removes them and they're considered permanently deleted. If the trash has already been emptied, there's still a short, limited chance to recover. Open Google Drive, then go to Help or Support. You can click the question mark icon in the top right or visit the Google Drive Help Center and look for the File Recovery Request form. Submit a recovery request describing the files, roughly when they were deleted, and any helpful details. This option typically works only if you're the owner of the file and you're within about 25 days from when it was permanently deleted. It's not guaranteed, but it's the only official route after the trash window closes. If you use a work or school account, contact your administrator immediately because admins sometimes have a brief window to help. If the file wasn't deleted but the content changed and you need the older version, open the file in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Go to File, then Version History, and choose to see the version history. You'll see timestamps of previous versions on the right. Click a version to preview it, and when you find the one you need, restore it. You can also name versions to make them easier to recognize later. This is incredibly helpful if something was overwritten, a major edit went wrong, or you just want to roll back safely. A quick reality check as we wrap up. After 30 days in trash, files are usually gone for good, and third-party software can't recover them because they're stored on Google's servers. Act quickly, use the built-in restore and version history tools, and reach out to Google support or your admin within the limited recovery window whenever needed.